Hey everyone, let's talk about number 5 here on the second exam from 2015 for Chem 151. You have an electron in the hydrogen atom, it relaxes to n equals 4. So first of all, it relaxes to n equals 4. Let me highlight that. That means our start has to be above 4. It emits light of 114 terahertz. So that's a frequency, right? So that's a frequency. We have the frequency then is equal to 114 terahertz. All right, so that's 114 times 10. Well, what is tera? All right, we got to make sure. Don, do you have to know that by heart? No, that's the metric system. So tera is 10 to the 12th, I believe. And then hertz is 1 over second. The question asks for what is the value of n for the electron originating from? Well, we know it's not going to be 1, 2, 3, or 4. So it can only be 5, 6, or 7. The easiest way to do it, unless you're confident in algebra and you can just really quickly do this, I would recommend to figure out the energy of this electron, or this photon. So E equals h nu. E equals 6.626 times 10 to negative 34 joules times seconds, multiplied by my 114 times 10 to the 12th, 1 over seconds. And so if we do that, 6.626 times 10 to the negative 34 times 114 times 10 to the 12th, we get 7.55 times 10 to the negative 20th joules. All right, so that's E. That's what delta E is going to be right here. So when we use our delta E formula, delta E equals negative 2.179 times 10 to negative 18 joules, although 1 over 4 squared minus 1 over n squared. And we're looking for n. Well, what I can do is plug in 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Instead of doing the algebra, I just type in my calculator negative 2.179 times 10 to negative 18. All right, and then I can open my parentheses up. 1 divided by 4 squared minus 1 divided by 5 squared. And if I do that, I get 4.90. Now I get a negative number because energy is coming out, right? Which is fine. But I get 4.9 times 10 to the negative 20th. That's not what we get. So I can just do my second inner, my TI. I put in 6, and I get 7.56 times 10 to the negative 20th. So if I put n being 6, I get delta E equals 7.57 times 10 to the negative 20th joules. So if we do that, this number matches this number, so n would have to be 6. That would be the easiest way to do it. Now you can rearrange. You have n squared here, and you can solve for that n algebraically and then just do it. You're more than welcome to do that. But for most of the students that I have, this is the easiest way. Hope that helps. Have a good one. See you next time.